Thane, often called the City of Lakes, is not just known for its natural beauty and thriving city life, but also for its growing wellness culture. Here are the top 10 spas in Thane, India, where you can relax, refresh, and recharge your body and mind. The first one is Tetra Wellness Spa, part of India's leading spa chain. Tetra Wellness Spa at Virtual Park, Lake City offer a perfect mix of modern luxury and traditional therapies. Guests can indulge in aromatherapy, Swedish massages, and detox treatments performed by skilled professionals. The second one is Zero Two Spa, located inside the popular Viviana Mall. Zero Two Spa is ideal for shoppers and professionals seeking a quick yet refreshing break. It offers body massaging, scrubs, facials, and stress relief therapies in a clean and calm setting. The third one is Soham Spa. Soham Spa combines holistic wellness with contemporary luxury. The therapies include Ayurvedic treatments, aromatherapy, massages, and rejuvenation packages designed to balance the body and mind. The fourth one is Sukho Thai Spa, a popular name in wellness. Sukho Thai Spa specializes in authentic Thai massage techniques. The combination of pressure point therapy and stretching help improve flexibility, relieve pain, and calm the senses. The fifth one is Mukh Spa and Salon. Mukh Spa is well-known local favorite offering everything from deep tissue and wellness massages to body scrubs and beauty care. The peaceful interior and professional staff make it a perfect weekend retreat. The next one is Luterra Spa and Wellness Center. Luterra focuses on Ayurvedic-inspired healing with modern comfort. Their signature services include pain relief therapies, full body oil massages, and stress management treatments using herbal oils. The next one is Aura Thai Spa. Aura Thai Spa brings authentic Southeast Asian spa rituals to Thane. The therapies range from Balinese massages to herbal compressed therapy, all performed in an elegant and tranquil environment. The next one is Tetra Elements Spa. Tetra Elements is a boutique spa offering personalized wellness treatments, from rejuvenating massages to organic facials. The spa uses premium natural products and provides customized care based on individual needs. The second last is Viraki Spa and Wellness Studio, a cozy wellness space that combines modern spa therapy with holistic healing. Viraki offers de-stress massages, aromatherapy, and wellness consultation in a relaxing, minimalistic setting. The last one is Rejuvenate Thai Spa. True to its name, Rejuvenate Spa focuses on mind, body, relaxation through Thai and Swedish therapies. With calming decor, aromatic oils, and trained therapists, it's a wonderful way to unwind after a busy week.